to fix limited access on Discord. So if you want to fix the limited access on Discord, then first of all, you need to open up your web browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And under the bar, you just need to simply go with support.discord.com and it will take you to the help center. Now you just need to simply search for limited. Once you search for limited, here you will have limited access FAQ. Simply tap on that option. Once you tap on it, you will find all of the details about the limited access error. So go ahead, scroll all the way down, and you will find the steps to get out of limited access. You can simply submit a ticket by clicking on the given link. Go with submit a request, and then you'll be able to choose the reason, and you need to enter your email address and the type of question and the type of support, subject, description, or attachments. You can also add some screenshots and then submit. And once you submitted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your limited access on Discord problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.